Using Netflix gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to add credit to your Netflix account. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Purchase a Netflix gift card. Find a retailer that sells Netflix gift cards either in-store or online. Choose the amount you wish to purchase and complete the transaction. Step 2. Locate the redemption code. Once you have the gift card, scratch off the protective coating on the back to reveal the unique redemption code. Make sure to keep this code safe until you are ready to use it. Step 3. Sign into your Netflix account. Go to the Netflix website or open the Netflix app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before redeeming the gift card. Step 4. Navigate to the gift card redemption page. Once logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the Netflix homepage and click on the Redeem Gift Card link. This will take you to the page where you can enter your gift card code. Step 5. Enter the redemption code. Type in the code from your gift card in the designated field and click Redeem. Your account will be credited with the amount on the gift card, which you can use for your subscription. Now you are all set to enjoy streaming on Netflix using your gift card balance. Happy watching!